Hi children, welcome back to the third part of the class which is discussing about science and its importance. During the previous classes we have learned about branches of science and 7 steps of scientific method. Let us check our memory power through the following activity. All of you take your pen and rough book and get ready for doing the activity. The activity is to solve the puzzle. Before starting the activity, let me tell you one thing. No need of copying the exact format of puzzle to your rough book. You have to just write the answers by hearing the clue which I am giving for you. So, the first clue is that name the branch of science that studies about non-living things. Name the branch of science that studies about non-living things. Here you can see the question 1 and the answer is starting with the letter P. And you can see in between words which is given in the crossword direction. Hope you got the answer. Let us see what's the answer. Yes, it is physical science. So we can say that physical science is the branch of science that studies about non-living things. Question 2. Name the branch of science that studies about matter, energy and their interactions. Name the branch of science that studies about matter, energy and their interactions. Yes, it is physics. Moving to the third question, write the another name of life science. Write the another name of life science. You can see that here this name is starting with the letter B. Yes, it is biology. The next clue is name the branch of science that studies about planet Earth. Yes, geology is the right answer. Moving to the fifth clue. Name the branch of science that studies about living things. Name the branch of science that studies about living things. Yes, it is life science. It's very easy. Now moving to the sixth and last clue, that is name the probable solution to a problem. The clue which is given here is that it is starting with the letter H. Starting with the letter H and ending with S. Yes, you are correct. It is hypothesis. So hypothesis is the probable solution to a problem. So those who got the answers, keep going like this. Others has to learn again. Today we are going to learn about physics and its branches. We have already learned the definition of physics, isn't it? Try to say it one time. Yes, physics is the branch of science that deals with the study of matter, energy and their interactions. As the entire universe is made up of matter and energy, physics is considered as the most fundamental of all the sciences. The word physics comes from the Greek word physikos, meaning nature. The word physics comes from the Greek word physikos, meaning nature. The growth of physics has made it necessary to divide it into many branches of study. Here, we will be learning only 7 branches. The 7 branches of physics that we are going to learn are mechanics, acoustics, optics, astronomy, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, and nuclear physics. So, mechanics, acoustics, optics, astronomy, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, and nuclear physics are the 7 branches of physics that we are going to learn here. Now, let's have a look at mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of interaction between matter and the forces acting on it. In general, mechanics allows one to describe and predict the conditions of rest or movement of particles and bodies subjected to the action of forces. I will repeat once again. Mechanics allows one to describe and predict the conditions of rest or movement of particles and bodies subjected to action of forces. For example, an apple hanging from a tree or a skydiver falling at a steady speed are examples for mechanics. The study of motions of the moon, the earth, and other planetary bodies comes under the branch mechanics. Likewise, any objects, whether it is a car in motion or rest, a fruit falling down or hanging on a tree, a parachute, are coming under the branch mechanics. Here, apple, parachute, etc. are examples for matter, and gravitational force, frictional force, etc. are examples for the forces which is acting upon them. So, we can define mechanics as the branch of physics that deals with the interaction between matter and the forces acting on it. Second one is acoustics. Acoustics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of sound. Here, we will be learning about different kinds of sounds such as music and speech and how they will travel. Then we will be having an advanced understanding of how sound is affected as it moves through environments such as water, buildings, medium like air, glass, etc. So, we can define acoustics as the branch of physics that deals with the study of sound. Third one is optics. Optics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of behavior of light. Here, we will be learning about the behavior of visible, ultraviolet and infrared light. Application of optics are found in a variety of technologies and everyday objects including mirrors, lenses, telescopes, microscopes, lasers and fiber optics. The next branch of physics that we are going to discuss is astronomy. Astronomy is the branch of physics that deals with the study of universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. That means here we will be studying about celestial objects such as stars, planets, comets and galaxies. We will also learn about the phenomena originating outside the Earth's atmosphere. Note down one thing in your mind. Astronomy is not same as the astrology. Astrology is the belief about the positions of stars and movement of planets of solar system and which tries to predict the future. Whereas astronomy is the branch of physics that deals with the study of universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. And for studying about it, we utilizes the telescope, cameras, mathematics, computer models, etc. In today's class, we have learned about definition of physics, origin of the word physics and its meaning. Then we learned to name the 7 branches of physics. We have learned the definition of mechanics, acoustics, optics and astronomy. Homework for the day. Read page number 4 and read branches of physics which is given in right side of page number 5 of the textbook. Learn the 7 question answers mentioned in summary part of the video. Revise the previous question answers that we have learned. That's all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.